MaryAnn lovers! My camera is so bad quality now.
Oh dear, can't vlog now. Mama's gonna see a bad picture of you when they phone,
Yeah, my phone is broken, guys, because I am so clumsy. And it is really shattered. And you could see like those white effect there because the camera is broken as well. Tatanggal ako ng makeup kasi yung husband ko is sinabihan ako na yung lips ko is sobrang bright red.
Big trucker.
Ito na hindi na masyadong red. Ang ginamit ko pa naman na lipstick, guys, is yung Maybelline na 24-hour stay.
24 hours doesn't work, lasts for 5 minutes.
How you know? Did you wear it?
Yeah.
So nakikita nyo ba yan? Yung parang white effect na niya dyan is yung dito yun na crack. Stop it! Stop it!
I'm learning Tagalog.
We should.
Ying-yong.
God, my camera is still bad, so I'm so sorry about it. But it will be fixed tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, so today is Saturday. And we are going out, guys, to have dinner. Some friends, my Filipina friend, the one that I've shown you to my vlog, the one we went to their house. So I just gonna give you a quick. Oh my God, may tag pa. Hindi tag, ano siya, yung label. Nakakahiya naman ito. So yeah, this is my outfit. They don't see me really. Leather jacket, purple one. This is, I'll show you this to one.
And this is my
Stop it!
Poland shark jacket with my Armani jeans, my Rolex watch, and my beautiful wife. There you go. That's it. Let's go. Let's do one.
Failed Failed OOTD. So yeah, my OOTD, guys, is leather jacket and a purple jumper. Napakita ko to sa haul ko, yung first ever haul ko. And then just a black jeans, black boots, black ankle boots, and my bag. Pasensya na, guys, kung yung mga damit ko is pabalik-balik lang naman. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga damit, guys. Pero kung may mga gustong mag-sponsor dyan, then very free kayo. So, probably later, hindi na ako magsasalita kasi
We're doing the restaurant.
kasi stop it.
Nobody allowed to eat till they filmed and showing the dinners.
Stop it. So, I think probably later, hindi na ako magsasalita kasi they will
Drop the phone.
It's so annoying.
You're gonna have to get a proper case for that, so when it falls, it bounces.
Oh no. So I was just so probably I will not be vlogging or be talking
We'll be
later.
vlogging. We will.
Kasi dito sila sa likod sasakay sa amin. We will use our car, and then nahihiya ako kasi may kasama na kami. Nahiya ako kay Steve at Ate Janice kasi they're not used to it yet. So, not that bad. Hello, Ate Janice. Kita ka?
No.
There you go. Hello.
Candle a bit and then
We have dinner date today.
Dinner date.
that's about it really.
Right.
That's a
There's a parking down there. There isn't, is there?
That's a parking near
This
there.
is true. That is a parking.
And there is one as well. We are here in the restaurant, guys.
if it's about
Oh, that's nice. Very, very like. Oh, clever. Hi, te. Si tanawa akong kamera, te. Dilain na kay te.
Vlog dek.
Oh, na ba? I-upload pang gusto na ako kato atong video dito. Good? Oh.
Unya na naka sa YouTube karon.
Nami sa sa YouTube. Asa man tani mamunta ti? Umo ko balon nito.
That's the house of it.
Where are we going? Oh, all right.
Vlog.
He's showing something.
No, we don't know where we're going.
Through the door.
Thank you. The lighting is not the best, so I am very sorry.
It's like lobster.
So you wouldn't, so you might be allergic to it. Might be allergic to it. So.
So, yeah.
That looks nice. Aning kamote. So he's having steak over there, and it's quite busy as well.
Come on, eat your dinner.
Home now like 5 minutes ago, and the food there is crap. Very crap. We had steak, the four of us for our main. We have steak, and for me, I did not enjoy it because the steak is very chewy and very gristly. The food is not nice. And for our starter, we have, what is that? Salmon and crayfish pate, and the pate is all right, and Janice has a soup for starter as well, and the soup, he said it is crap. So I think it's not worth coming back there. I mean, they said that that restaurant is used to be very good, very good restaurant, and now they change owner or whatever. It is so bad, but you cannot really tell that the food.
It's pub food.
Honey, you cannot really tell that the food is bad because the place is very busy. There's a lot of people out there. So that's it for me this evening, guys. I really hope that you enjoy watching this vlog. Please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye!